Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. OneRepublic, I Ain't Worried. And yeah, from the movie Maverick there, Top Gun movie. So, cool song to learn. We have one bass melody, you can say, and some very easy strumming going on here. So that's it. We need to start our capo on the 3rd fret, and with that, we have 4 different chords. So let's look at the chords now. We have first the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. B minor next, so that's a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, 3rd on B. And the final chord is D. Alright, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And that is the chord progression through the entire song: G, E minor, B minor, and D. Now let's look at this cool bass melody first. So I'm gonna go through the different notes, and we have one note, the D. It should be the darker D. This time we cannot do it because for that we need to play with the tuning, and we have the standard tuning here plus a capo on 3rd, so that will be a little brighter D than it is in this original version, but yeah, it's D still, so it's only one note. So let's go over the melody. Starts like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on E. Then the open D now. Then back to 3rd E. 2nd E. And open E. Okay, so. And then it continues with open D. Okay, so the 4 notes there are open D, open E, open A, and 2nd A. So that part was open D, open E, open A, and 2nd A. So far we learned Alright, then we have this final part left for the 1st round. Sounds like this. Okay, so that is 2nd on E, then 2nd on A, 4th on A, open D, and then another 2 open Ds fast, and then you end with 2nd E. Okay, so the last part there was 2nd E, 2nd A, 4th A, open D, then open D 2 times, and then 2nd E. And then it starts all over again on the 2nd round, pretty much in the same way, except from the ending here. So you'll play the same for this part. Okay, so we can stop there. And then the final ending here is the 4 last notes. Okay, so that is 2nd on E, 2nd on A, 4th A, and you end with 2nd on A. So that's just a different ending there. So that is the bass melody. Goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. Now the intro starts with 1 down per chord. when it comes to the G, E minor, B minor, and D. So like this, E minor, B minor, and D. And then comes the first verse. You will play same chord progression like I said through the entire song. So now on very easy strumming or beats, it's just 1 down plus a clap. You will do that for 2 times per chord. So 2 Gs, 2 E minors, 2 B minors, and 2 Ds. And on the second round, you play 2 Gs, 2 E minors, 2 B minors, and plus 1 down and a pause. So that is how you play the first verse, and that builds up for the chords and for pretty much the rest of the song, because we will look at the strumming pattern for the same chords, and that will go on till the end pretty much. So let's look at the strumming with the G, since that is the first chord. One round will be down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And if we play a couple rounds of this strumming, it will be like this. Yeah, so you will play 1 strumming round per chord, so 1 G, 1 E minor, 1 B minor, 1 D. It sounds like this. And so on, and that pretty much covers OneRepublic's I Ain't Worried. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you soon. Play tuned.